I went on a little adventure and I got, let's see, here's the clay Sculpty brand. I got 2 just in case. I wanted to make sure that the figures were the right shape. And Dad, I knew you wanted some like fun things for like the trophy or whatever, so I got Alice in Wonderland and a whole bunch of Disney characters. So I found Harry Potter. Now I know that he really doesn't like being compared to Harry Potter, but the only other one that was even generally like something he would like would be like Data from The Next Generation, and he was $4. And I was just, no, I'm not spending $4 on a gag topper for a trophy. So I'm gonna make the topper now. I have a lot of stuff to do before I'm ready for the airport, so I figured I'd catalog my night. Also, I bought some movies because I was at Walmart. I got all the Indiana Jones movies, Scooby-Doo, the 1st and 2nd season, Galaxy Quest, and It. I think I'm gonna do Scooby-Doo while I'm sculpting. That just seems right. I haven't seen this episode in, I don't know, 10 years. It's in season 2, and we've never had season 2 at home, so. Also, they're super breaking and entering. They just came into this place while the night guard was sleeping and just crept right past him. Da, 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 da. Doesn't wanna. Does it look like her? Does it look like her? It's gonna be like that. Got the dress. Working on the bustle on the back. And then her head is gonna go like that. Except there's probably gonna be a neck somehow. Yeah. So, just a fun fact. What I usually do is I make a mold, like a general outline, using whatever clay I have on hand. And then I'll drape the clothes over them so I don't waste. Like, each figure is like 4 entire cubes of this. So, and I only have 2 reds and like 2 blacks, so I can't spend all that time or all that clay building up the characters from scratch. So, this is currently Brian. It's whatever colors I don't need. So that I can drape some black clothing over him. Okay, this is what I got so far. And I have Alex's head. And it is 1 a.m. I did not realize it was going to take this long. I think the best thing I can do right now, because I haven't even been able to pack yet, I thought this was going to take 2 hours tops, and then I would pack. I think it's taken 4 hours. I know if I try to do Brian's head, it's going to look bad because I'm tired, and I've been working at this for 4 hours, so the best thing I can do right now is pack really fast, go to sleep, and I will finish this tomorrow. I'll just pack it all up and pad it up the wazoo with paper towels and stuff so that it doesn't, get jostled around. But guess I'll finish it tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna put a whole toilet paper roll on this thing. Oh my gosh. I'm so nervous about this. What are the chances of me getting this through airport security? I just looked it up, and polymer clay is probably the best consistency to like Play-Doh. Play-Doh is definitely not allowed on carry-on bags. I'm gonna check a bag, I guess. It's all in this guy. It's 2:29. I decided that if I got 3 hours of sleep, I was gonna be just as cranky as if I pulled an all-nighter. And it might even be better if I just keep going until I get home. So, I'm awake. Here it is. Right here. It is 4:16. I started working on that at around 9. That was a 7-hour project. It has an hour to cool. Okay, I managed it. It's done. It's done. All right, it's 4:21, and just when I think I'm out of the ballpark, I may have overcooked them, because there are cracks now showing up on Brian. I'm not seeing any on her. I'm not seeing any on Alex, so that's a good sign. I see little... I can't figure out if those are little cracks. If there is a problem with these cracks and things start to fall apart, we can always super glue it. Okay, so quick update. I managed to finish. I pulled an all-nighter. I got half an hour of sleep. But I did it. It is. It's here. I'm not gonna take it out, but it's there. It's still warm. Yeah, it looks great. And I did it. I did it. I'm drinking coffee so that I can be awake enough to make my 30-minute connecting flight. But I'm really excited to be able to show this off because they needed something special for their wedding cake topper, so I'm glad that I was able to make something special for them.
The stairways up to La Butte can make the wretched sigh, while windmill wings of the moulin shelter you and I.
So I don't think my family considered the time change when they realized what time I landed. So this is how you dress yourself when you're running on a half hour of sleep. I got a wolf shirt on. It's like it's got a moon wolf on it. You see him? Yeah. And the alpha wolf and Aurora Borealis wolf, and oh, that's Happy Wolf. Is there any more wolves? No. I think this is a bit much. But I honestly didn't mean to do this. I just was like, yeah, this looked great at like 4 a.m. And then I put it all together and oh my gosh. Whatever, I'm proud of it.